Good morning, everyone. I'm Kushi Gupta, BCA PPU batch 1, third year, and I'm here with my project, which is based on HTML, CSS on the front end and in the back end with PHP as the scripting language and MySQL for database integration. So this is a admin section which shows the overview of the data which it holds. That is the total users which are logged in by the admin and the total products which are uh, done entry on the admin section. Now, the total users and total products, these get updated based on the select query, the count function. Using count function, we will see how these are bootstrap cards and which get updated using the SQL query in the backend. Now, these are the users which are logged in on the device. So, there are a total of 3, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 users logged in, and the same is shown on the here total users. Now I will show you how this is a CRUD application, which means create, read, update, and delete. So here we will add a particular user from, we will create a new user, it will ask for a form. Let's say we will give a new entry. Now you can see that we have added a new user. The particular user is get added as a new user. Now the next operation we will perform as we want to edit this user because we have given a incorrect state. So we want to edit this user. We will go in the edit page and then we will select the state as Jharkhand. Now we will update here and the user get the record got updated. Now we want to delete this particular record. So we will click on the delete operation. It will pop up with a message to delete this user. We will click on OK and the particular user got deleted. Now here we can apply filters. This is done by select query in the SQL which is running in the backend. Here when we select a particular gender or a particular country or a particular state, then the users which are available in the database, they got filtered on the basis of that what we selected in the filter. So say we want to see females of country India which belong to the state Jharkhand, and we will apply the filter. So this filters the entire database and shows only those users which suits this filter. This is actually this filter is actually a form which takes value as the whatever we entered the value part goes to the backend and it performs a select query and it merges all the where clause using AND operation. Now we will reset the button and it comes again the same thing. Coming to the products, here we have the same thing, the same data as the user. We can perform the add operation to add a new product, edit operation to edit any product, and delete operation to delete a particular product. Now here also we can apply the filters, like I want to search for books category. If I apply, it will only show the books product category. So say I am searching for electronics and I want to apply a price filter. I want electronics greater than 1000 only. So it will show all the electronic products which are greater than 1000. Now coming to the fourth part of the particular project. So this is index.php, which was our home section. This was our home section, and on the basis of this, we have the index.php. In the top line, we have made a connection to the database, and our database name is PHP project. The username is root, and the apply the select query, the bootstrap slider, which was shown here. Total users and total products. It is fetching the count of all the products and all the users. So this is done by select count from total users from user table, add total users from user table, and the same for products from the product table. Now this is the HTML part to design the interface. For the front end, I have used this HTML part. And the slider, the cards shown as total users and total products over here. Now for the product.php, I have added a filter form, as you can see it here. This is the filter form. This part is a filter form where we are fetching the particular category, particular price, and the apply button and reset button. When we click to the apply button, the form gets submitted. And going to the PHP part, this PHP part gets executed. There the category we mentioned as a value category comes in the variable as category and price filter and the price value. Now these three sections get combined by the where clause using the AND operation and the select query. As you can see here, it is performing the select query. Select all from product where SQL. Now this where SQL is a combination of all the filters which we apply, which are combined with the AND operation. And this fetches the product and we are showing the particular product based on the filter. Based on the basis of CRUD operation, here we can add a particular user. For this we have the add.php. In this we perform a full query of insert into the table name and the fields and the values which we are fetching from the form. Add a new user in the table. To update a user, we are performing the update query in the SQL class. We are updating the user table and we are setting the name on the basis of new name, the new email, the new password, the new mobile and